How to make your child interested in studying. Focus on learning and not grades. Learning should be the primary goal of the study. Learning will help your child in life, not grades. Although grades give pleasure and give satisfaction, do not put pressure. Do not pressurize your children to study hard. Rather, you should motivate to work hard. When you forcefully make your child study, it does not yield results the way you want. Make a study schedule. Plan the monthly study plan and schedule it throughout the month and see the result. Make adjustments if you see any deviation from the schedule. Build an environment. Your child's study room should be peaceful and make sure all the study materials such as books, sharpener, eraser, pencil, etc. should not be misplaced during study time. Ask for teachers' help. Take the teacher's help if you find any difficulty in scheduling the monthly study plan. You can talk over with teachers what subjects your child need to spend extra time on. Kids' learning style. Your kid's learning style can be different from what you perceive. If you find that the child's learning style is not correct, you can instruct the different ways to learn. Make your child more involved. If your kid does not concentrate on his studies, it may take extra hours. First, you involve yourself in the studies. The kid will be more involved than before. Thank you for watching.